guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vishakha. I hope you all are doing well. So this is part 2 of my previous video. If you haven't checked that, go and check it out and come back again for the hotel tour. So here we enter the hotel Oakwood Premium Prestige, and this is the entrance. So entrance पे ऐसा lounge section दे रखा है, and look at this piece. This is gorgeous here, and lounge section है छोटा सा, and यहाँ पे lift है. From there we will reach to reception, and चलो चलते हैं reception पे. So we are at the reception, और जो लेफ्ट में आपको दिख रहा है, so this hotel is connected to UB City, so this is the way we can reach to UB City. and ये है होटल का रिसेप्शन जो भी आपको दिख रहा है. होटल फॉर्मेलिटीज़ फिनिश करने के बाद रूम अलॉट हो गया था, एंड इट वाज ऑन 6th फ्लोर, एंड रूम्स एडजेसेंट थे मम्मी पापा का और हमारा. सो दैट वाज ग्रेट, एंड दिस इज़ द लॉबी ऑफ 6th फ्लोर. सो जस्ट गोइंग टू आवर रूम हियर. So let's just do the room tour here. So I have got the keys. So let me turn on the lights by putting the keys. Left side में enter होते ही आपको दिखेगा ये washroom. So this is the bathing area you see right here. Here I am. Hi. And this is the business area. And behind that you see is a big washing machine. So if you want to wash your clothes, you can. And as you enter the room, आपको दिखेगा बड़ा सा bed, which is all I see after I get tired. So this is the room here. You have a sofa to sit and watch TV. They also have a kitchenette. So जो भी किचन का चीज़ें होती है वो सब कुछ थी. They have this refrigerator here, and they also have the utensils and everything, so that if you want to cook, like we were staying here for 15 days, so midnight cravings के लिए you can cook anything. Here you see is the office desk and a TV cabinet, and also you see a huge wardrobe which has a huge mirror, and on the left they have this huge window जहाँ से कुछ as such view नहीं आता है. Just you see are some cafes of UB City. So this is it for the room here. Let me show you guys the gym, spa and the swimming pool area. ये तीनों ही 12th फ्लोर पे हैं. So here it is. सामने आपको दिख रहा है. It's a huge gym. लाइक आराम से आप अपनी जिमिंग कर सकते हो. प्रॉपर इक्विपमेंट्स दिखे मुझे कि काफ़ी सारे इक्विपमेंट्स थे. सो ईज़िली आप अच्छे से वर्कआउट कर सकते हो इफ़ यू आर रियली रियली इनटू जिमिंग एंड ऑल. लेट्स कम टू द पूल एरिया एंड ये जो पूल है दिस इज़ ऑन रूफ टॉप एंड दिस इज़ द स्विमिंग pool which you see right here. And this day it was drizzling, so the weather was really nice, the view was like okay, so it felt nice. And yeah, this was it for this hotel, and thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.